Hi, everybody. We made it to week one. I just wanted to spend a few minutes to go over our first assignment. So when you go into D2L, I'll switch here first. When you go into D2L, you will see our assignment, which is Module 1 Assignment Sales Summary Worksheet. So it gives you the instructions and it also gives you the page number. So when you see this page EX110, that's the corresponding page in your textbook. You'll look for Lab 2 and the assignment, the lab is Sales Summary Worksheet. So you only need to go through steps 1 through 14. So just to show you what this looks like, when you go in your textbook, you'll see it'll have these numbers on top, EX110, and the lab is at the very bottom. So it starts at the very bottom on EX110 and really goes to EX111 and 112, where it finishes up with all of the questions. So it's going to guide you on what you're supposed to put into the Excel workbook. I wanted to show you what this looks like. So once you get everything in, I've got a image of the finished product so you can see what it'll look like in the end, similar to what's in the textbook. So really it guides you in a great way in the textbook on how to put this together. Now, when you go in, you'll see and have everything set up, you're going to put in the income and expenses, and then you're going to get the net, and you're also going to get the ending balance. So just to show you this, when you get the net, you should have these formulas in there. So you get the incomes minus the expenses, and then you get the ending balance by subtracting that net from the starting balance. If you notice, the ending balance is the beginning balance for the next month, and that continues on throughout the year. So we're going through January through December. Now, once you get down to step 7, it talks about having the use of the average, max, and min functions. So if you see this here, once we go down to the row 16, 17, 18, you see the average, highest, and lowest. So that's the average, and then you got the max as the highest, and the min is the lowest. So you're going to use these functions. As you see here, we've got the functions already in there for these columns. So for that income column, and then you'll do the same thing for the highest. You see there's the formula. It's there, the max formula. And then the same thing for the lowest. So you get the average, the highest, and the lowest for that column. So you'll go through all of these and be able to use that function for all of those columns. And then after you have that, it should look like this, and you should have the same data and the same formatting. And this will be our Module 1 assignment. So let me know if you have any questions. Look forward to hear from you.